Hello students, greetings of the day. Today we have Mr. Surya Prakash before us. So let us interact with him and try to know many things from him. And Mr. Surya Prakash is an All India ranker at CA final level who got All India 17th rank in January 2021 examinations. And he also got All India 38th rank at CA Ipcc level, and he got All India third rank at CPT. And in addition to that, he got All India first rank at CS executive level. So we are very glad that Surya Prakash is our mastermind student, and we just want to interact with him, and we want to provide several inputs to the students, which will be a source of inspiration to most of the students. So in that connection, we are here to interact with Mr. Surya Prakash. But before that, you please remember that CA is a professional course. And in professional courses like CA and CME and CS, if you qualify, it is more than enough. But in addition to getting qualified, if you get a rank, definitely it will be an added bonus. So in that connection, we are interacting with Mr. Surya Prakash, and let us get more inputs from him, which will be acting as source of inspiration for the preparation of many students. So, hi, Mr. Surya Prakash, how are you?
Hi, sir. I'm fine. How about you, sir?
Yeah, how about you, Surya Prakash? I'm doing good.
Yeah.
And Surya Prakash, what is your full name?
Sir, my full name is Surya Prakash Marisiti.
What are the names of your parents, Mr. Surya Prakash?
Sir, my father's name is Ramu and my mother's name is Aruna. My father is an electrical supervisor working in a private company, and my mother is a housewife.
What is your native place?
My native place is Guttur only.
Oh, very good. Mr. Surya Prakash, what is the reaction of your parents when they heard that you got All India 17th rank at CA final level? And of course, I strongly believe that getting ranks is a common thing to you, because you got All India third rank at CPT and 38th rank at CA IPCC level, and All India first rank at CS executive. I think it has become common to you grabbing a rank at wherever course or whatever course you have tried your hand. But I want to know from you, what is the reaction of your parents when you get All India 17th rank at CA final level?
Yes, sir. Thank you for describing me in this manner. And first of all, they're very happy. And I can, what to say, now also I can cherish those moments where I can see the joyfulness in my parents' eyes. Immediately after declaration of that results, now, what to say, my kid has become a chartered accountant, which course is professionally accepted, and people will, what to say, give respect to chartered accountants and these professional courses who qualify this, and very much excited on the day of results also. That's about it, sir.
Yeah, fantastic. That is a most cherishable moment for any parents when their kid gets All India rank. So definitely, I think you have just enjoyed the moment very well, Mr. Prakash.
Yes, sir.
And coming from a middle class family, have you ever thought that CA course is affordable to you?
Yes, sir. Before joining this course, actually, I have this fear also. We belong basically from a middle class family, and these courses will cost little.
So you thought that definitely chartered accountancy will be affordable to you compared to other things like engineering stream or science stream.
Yes.
So, and also I came to know that your brother is also pursuing chartered accountancy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think your financial background and your family status has made you to come to chartered accountancy so that you can finish up the course with the less amount possible. Am I right, Mr. Prakash?
Yes, sir. Obviously, right. And one thing I just want to share regarding this thing. When I joined with this masterminds, CA, CPT for taking coaching, I have taken this as a very serious thing, very challenging thing, because this course fee and all is compared to other courses is low, but the benefits are very beautiful. So even though my inspiration and my way of thought is I should not be burdened for even this much fees. So I tried a lot. I worked hard and achieved all India third rank in CSCPT. And I would like to thank Masterminds management. So by seeing my efforts and hard work and the achievement in the CSCPT results, they had given me free coaching in all the further stages of the CA course. I would
Oh,
like
that's
to
fantastic.
Yes, I would like to thank Masterminds management and wholeheartedly I'm saying, sir, I'm a product of Masterminds. It is because of you I'm here as of now. Thank you very much.
Yes, Mr. Surya Prakash, uh, from your conversation, I came to know that you have spent very little amount in the form of paying the fees because you are a ranker at CPT level, CA inter level, and CA final level. I think other than registration fees for ICAI, you did not spend much money for coaching. Am I right?
Absolutely, absolutely. That credit should go to Masterminds only.
Yeah. And how much money did you earn during your articleship, Mr. Prakash?
Yes, sir. The beautiness in CA course is this articleship only, I can say. Because in addition to learning so many things, there is a chance to earn also in the form of stipend. The stipend will typically range from 3,000 to 10,000 also per month. It depends on the location where you have chosen to do your articleship. I have chosen to do my articleship in my native place in Guntur. Here they have provided a stipend of 3,500 per month. So approximately, if you what to say, take a round figure, total 3 years. 3 years means 3 into 12 into 3,000. So approximately, what to say, I will in net surplus position only before completion of CA course.
Yeah, that's fantastic, Mr. Prakash. And right now, where are you working? And what
So
is your designation?
yes, sir. Right now I am working in Tata Advanced Systems, which is into aerospace and defense manufacturing.
Oh, good.
And my designation there is management trainee role for 1 year. This is a kind of training period. And my roles includes MIS reporting, consolidating, and doing some other analysis work based on the management requirement.
And I think you grabbed this job in the campus placements. Am I right, Prakash?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And if you don't mind, can you tell us your salary package? How much did you get?
Yes, sir. This during this training period, they offered me a package of 9 lakhs.
Yeah,
9
fantastic.
lakhs per annum.
Yeah. So I think this is probably your first job that you have grabbed in campus placements. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And how many companies did you attend in your campus placement, Mr. Prakash?
So total 6 companies shortlisted me,
Mhm.
and out of that, as per the ICAI rules, we have to choose only 4 companies maximum.
Mm.
And I have chosen 4 companies and attended all the interviews of the 4 companies. And the best thing is that I have been selected by all the 4 recruiting companies.
Obviously, because every company wants a person like you who is a ranker at all the levels, and whatever exam you are writing, you are getting a rank. So obviously, every company wants to have you and in their payroll.
Yes.
Yeah. And are there any special privileges for rankers like you in the campus placements or off-campus placements, Mr. Prakash?
Yes, sir. I can say yes. But one thing to be what to say, keep in mind. See, rank is a number given for the hard work. Okay, they will recognize the recruiting companies will give due weight to the rank because this candidate has done something extra. He has taken some what to say that extra mile which other students has not taken. So they recognize you as a hardworking person. So definitely they will give weight to the rank. And one more thing, not just because you are a rank holder, they will not recruit you. You have to perform well. You have to prove your knowledge before the interview panel, and definitely rank will help you in that manner.
Yeah, definitely. You have given a very good definition for ranker, and you're absolutely right, Mr. Surya Prakash. And I'm very happy for that. You have given a wonderful definition for the ranker. And what is your experience of attending the campus placement? Because what do you feel actually while attending the campus placement? What kind of skills the companies are expecting from the students, or put it in another way, in your opinion, what are the prerequisites for getting a job in the campus placements? Here, I'm expecting an answer from you. In what way the student should develop their skills to attend interviews at the campus placements, apart from their academics and academic subjects?
Very good question, sir. Firstly, the basic thing they are expecting is, first we should be perfect with our basics in whatever academic qualifications we are having. They are not asking expertise level. So because they are expecting basic things. First, we should be very much confident about yourself. We should know all the basic concepts. And second thing is communication skills. Doesn't take only academic qualifications and marks into consideration. See, while you are performing your job, whatever requirements are there, you have to interact with a lot of people. The communication skills they will look into, and the way you communicate, how confidently you can deal with your colleagues, clients, and all. So that is the one basic thing which recruiters are seeing. So, and one more thing, obviously, knowledge, academic knowledge, and the third thing is that confidence levels. These three, I can say, sir.
Yeah, definitely. Those are the most important requisites for getting into the corporate world and face the campus placements. And Mr. Surya Prakash, after completion of chartered accountancy, many candidates plan for post-qualification courses to enhance their career prospects. And they plan for courses like CFA or DISA, Diploma in Information Systems Audit, or they want to go for some specialized courses in GST and risk management. Today, risk management is a course which is having a lot of prospects. So are you pursuing any post-qualification courses, or do you plan to pursue some post-qualification courses?
Sir, as of now, I have not enrolled for any specialized courses, post-qualification courses, but I am planning to do some post-qualification courses, sir, like CFA or ACCA, and basically I'm in a planning stage, and I will definitely pursue those courses as well.
And I have also heard in besides CA, you have also pursued company secretary, and you grabbed All India first rank at CS executive. So are you continuing CS also?
Yes, sir. As of now, I'm doing my this CS final stage as well. Planning to give this final exams also, CS final exams also next year. That is the 2022 year, and also I'll complete it in my first attempt itself.
So I hope you also grab a rank at CS final level, Mr. Surya Prakash, continuing your journey of ranks. Yeah, that's fantastic. And Surya Prakash, do you suggest to pursue courses like CMA or CS along with CA? Is it advisable to the students?
Yes, sir. See, I can say this in two aspects. One is safety, because each and every student may not qualify CA in the very first attempt which they have given. So taking CME and CS courses as a simultaneously, it gives a kind of safety. See, suppose if that student cannot qualify CA course, then the CME or CA they can qualify.
And even CS and CMA, they are also having very good job prospects in the
Yes,
industry.
Yes. So that's why it's always suggestible to take additional professional course along with CA.
Yeah. Mr. Prakash, I think you have also pursued BCom along with CA.
Yes, sir.
So do you suggest to pursue BCom along with CA to your juniors?
Yes, it is definitely suggestible, sir, because nowadays companies, what they are looking at is chartered accountants are very well known for their specialized knowledge. But doing a BCom is also an added advantage while it comes to campus placements or whatever, either ICA campus placements or offline campus placements. They will give a due weightage to the student who has done BCom also, because nowadays these companies feel BCom is a basic thing. At least that you should have. So that will definitely be an added advantage.
Yeah. Mr. Prakash, let us just go back to the basics. Can you share to us about your schooling? Where did you do your schooling?
Yes, sir. My schooling days are very joyful. I can say I have done my schooling secondary from 6th class to 10th class in Yadava High School, which is in Old Guntur, very near to my home only. And basically, I am a Telugu medium student. I have till 10th class I have pursued in Telugu medium only. Uh, those days are very joyful and memorable, sir.
Yeah. You just told that you come from Telugu medium background up to your 10th class. So did you face any difficulty at intermediate level or in CA course or CS course regarding the medium of instruction? And or what I wanted to know from you is what kind of care you have taken to master your English. Right now you are speaking very fluent in English. So what kind of care you have taken to improve your communication skills and English skills to handle these professional courses and grabbing a rank in all these courses?
Yes, sir. See, there is a lot of misconception going in the what to say society. First, I want to convey to every student who is coming from Telugu medium background. Please don't listen to those kind of stuff. See, I am the real example before you. I have done.
Obviously.
I have done till 10th class in Telugu medium only. Uh, See, the basic thing is the fear which you have will throw you back. That's first. If first you need to remove that fear. That's the one suggestion which I want to give to especially Telugu medium students. Coming to how I handle this, what to say, switch over from Telugu medium to English medium, sir. Definitely in the initial stages, it was a little challenging for me. So what I used to do is I used to read English newspapers, and I used to what to say install this economic times and dictionaries in my smartphone. Wherever I find difficulty in understanding or digesting the word, I just used to Google it, or I use these apps as a support. And I used to write in the material itself. I used to write the proper Telugu meaning of that word. So whenever I revise later after completion of classes, so then that word will, what to say, will be remembered in my brain. So that is the way, one way which I have handled. And one more thing is keep on revising. Need to keep on revising. And another thing which I can say is support from faculty is also required. They have to explain in a simple language, simple English language. See, complicated English language is there. Their duty is to make the subject easy for you, which I have seen in Masterminds as well. Uh, that also helped me in, what to say, tackling this difficulty.
Yeah. Mr. Prakash, how many marks did you score in 10th class?
Sir, for 2012 onwards, they have given GPA points, sir. I have secured 9.5 GPA out of 10 in 10th class.
Yeah, good. And see, you got 9.5 GPA in 10th class. Generally, a student who gets that GPA thinks of going into either engineering stream or medicine stream or do something else, which is great. So what prompted you to choose the stream of chartered accountancy? the stream of commerce in particular?
Yes, sir. First of all, though I cannot defame other courses are not good, CA is good. Other courses have their own respect, their own benefits will be there. See, firstly, I was not interested into this science and medicine, sir. So I was interested into this business background courses and mathematics. And one more thing, people always keep on saying these courses are very difficult, you cannot do, you cannot survive, you will waste your time that this. So uh, I had taken this as a challenging. So people are saying people you cannot qualify, waste of money, waste of time. They used to tell like this, but I had taken this as a very challenging, and as of now I have proved also this is not like that. We can, if with sincere efforts and dedication, we can qualify these courses as well with ease.
Yeah, that's a fantastic thing. And uh, which group did you choose in your intermediate?
Sir, basically I was in a dilemma at that point of time. Every student who has completed his SSC schooling will definitely face this issue. So, which I have the one trick I applied, the course of elimination. What's a choosing by elimination, because I was not interested in science and medicine. MPC and BPC, so out of coverage. So I have eliminated those two. And remaining thing is MEC and CEC. And because I was more enthusiastic and interested towards mathematics and want to go to commerce stream, I have chosen MEC. And at that point of time itself, I have decided that I'll have to do this CA course. And some of the people, relatives have suggested me also MEC, taking MEC would be more beneficial if you have decided to choose CA at that time itself. It is not like that only MEC is beneficial, MEC is more beneficial. People from MPC and BPC background also can pursue CA course. That's not at all a what's a bottleneck. But MEC has that advantage. So that's why I have chosen MEC.
So definitely always you wanted to prove something to this world, that you wanted to be different and you want to be an achiever. That's a great spirit that many people should draw from you, Mr. Prakash. Once again, very heartfelt congratulations to you for your great spirit. And now coming to CPT. So after completion of your MEC, you joined in Masterminds for CPT. Yeah. How much did you score at your CPT level?
CPT levels are 185 out of 200. And there is a very, I can say, very special item that was. Because if you compare the previous five or after that 5 attempts of the CPT, that is one of the toughest course, toughest exam. I can say I have written in December 2014. The pass percentage is just 14%. Generally, it will be around 30 to 40%. But that attempt was very difficult. But with the kind of preparation which I had and coaching which I had from Masterminds, I can confidently say that I had tackled that course with ease and able to get All India third rank also. So my ranks journey has begun with that CSCPT rank only. Learned all the basic concepts in the CA course from Masterminds, and I keep on practicing. That helped a lot in achieving that ranks.
So you wanted to say that Masterminds gave you a platform to showcase your talent and to grab all India ranks.
Yes.
Yeah, that's fantastic thing, Mr. Prakash. And see, once you get all India rank at CA CPT level, all India third rank, I think you might have received lot of requests, lot of options to join for your CA IPCC in different other institutes. So at that juncture, why do you choose Masterminds again for CA IPCC coaching?
The answer is very simple, sir, because I have already seen the kind of facilities they provide, the kind of coaching they provide, and the kind of care they take for the students in the CSCPT itself. So obviously there is no need to think about other organization at all. So that's why blindly I have chosen Masterminds for CIPCC as well. Well, obviously they had given free coaching because by seeing my hard work and efforts, they have offered free coaching as well. Then why will I go to other organization?
Yeah. So how much did you score at CIPCC?
Sir, CIPCC level, I got 471 marks, sir, out of 700. At that point of time, only 7 subjects used to be there. And now it is 8 subjects. They changed the name to CA Intermediate.
Yeah.
Around 67% marks I have scored, and along with All India 38th rank.
Yeah, that's a very good thing. And now the most interesting question, and many students are eagerly waiting to listen these all things from you. How many hours did you study on a regular basis while studying CA course? That is either CPT or IPCC or CA final. So could you tell it for us?
One cannot say it depends on the student as well. We can say if the student understood everything in the class itself, and he is that much capable that with one revision he can understand everything and he can grab everything. If the student belongs to that category, he may not take that much more time. Okay, it depends on the student's capacity as well. For me, around 8 to 10 hours, I can say around 8 to 10 hours I have studied at CSCPT level, and roughly the same time for IPCC also, or a little bit higher, I can say 10 to 12 hours in CIPCC level. Main thing is listening to the classes, your faculty with interest, the enthusiasm to learn new things. That is the main thing. So if you are there in the class with presence of mind and able to understand the concept, able to clear all the doubts which you got in the class itself, and able to revise within a couple of days all the contents, then it would be an easy job to complete the entire course in the time and give your exam attempt with happiness. That's all, with happiness and confidence.
Yeah, that's a very great answer, Mr. Prakash. And now going little deeper, I wanted to know your trade secrets of preparation. That is, what are your unique preparation strategies? We wanted to know the USP of your preparation. What is your USP, unique selling proposition, and what made your preparation to get you a rank?
Yes, sir. That's a very good question. And I'm very happy to answer this also. Sir, I can divide this into two categories. One is problematic papers, another one is theoretical papers. So, with respect to these problematic papers, my strategy used to be during the class itself. Immediately after faculty has given the solution for that problem, if I feel it was very easy for me, I used to strike it off. And some more problems used to be there where everything is same except one or two difficult adjustments. So there I used to highlight only those two adjustments in the question and highlight how to treat in the answer. Those two adjustments only, the treatment I used to highlight or underline with red pen, and remaining thing I used to cross it off because it is no need. Because day before exam you used to get only 1.5 day hardly. Within that 1.5 day covering entire thing from scratch, it is impossible, highly impossible. So from day one itself, I tried to do like this for problematic papers. So if I found one question which can give a summary of the entire chapter, one mega question, a big question, I used to highlight that with one green highlighter, and used to round it off with some star marking and refer day before exam. I used to give a marking like that, so that if I can look at that problem, I can easily recollect all the contents of the chapter. That was my strategy for problematic things. And with respect to this theory papers, the only one best way is to revise, keep on revising. and you need to do writing practice as well, because keep on revising will definitely add, but you need to write the content within the time of 3 hours they allocate. So speed write practice is also obviously required. So I used to practice this hand speed writing also for theory papers, and keep on revising.
I think you have followed all the strategies given by Prakash sir in true letter
Yes.
and spirit.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, that's a fantastic thing, Mr. Prakash. And have you joined in pre-results batches or post-results batches for your CA IPCC?
This is also what to say one dilemma when the student has given his CA, CPT or CA foundation, he will be in a little dilemma. That at that point of time, the student will be in a joy mode. Let me take some rest. Let me go to my relatives' parents. Let me enjoy this period. See, that is okay. You enjoy for 10 days or 2 weeks or 3 weeks max. That's all. If you don't join in pre-results batch, what will happen? I'll tell you. You are losing almost 1.5 months of your precious time. That is for sure. That's a kind of a straight away warning to you. See, time is everything. So compare it to the pre-results batch join student, you have wasted already 1.5 months. So if you are damn sure that you can qualify this CSCPT or CA foundation exam, then there is no point in waiting till the results came in, and after results I will join. There is no point. Always a wise student will definitely take decision to join pre-results batch only, and I will suggest always.
So, Mr. Prakash, now coming to your articleship, basing on conversation with you, I came to know you have done your articleship at Guntur. Now, Prakash, I wanted to know from you, which one is better, doing articleship in big four firms or doing articleship in mid-sized firms? Of course, each option has its own pros and cons, but I wanted to know from you, what is your opinion of doing articleship in the big four firms and in the mid-sized firms? Please enlighten us on this issue.
Okay, sir. See, after completion of this CA inter, student will again face this dilemma. Which firm should I choose, either big four or mid-size firm? Uh, which city I should go? And all. It depends on the student's intention. If he wants to, suppose say, do practice, it is advisable to go with mid-size firms, because there you will get to know all-round exposure. Your exposure will not be limited to either only single task. In case of big four, they will concentrate you for one specialized task only. Suppose say taxation, you will keep on doing taxation thing only from the beginning till the ending, but of course you will become specialist in that. That is the advantage there in doing articleship with big four. And one more thing is that obviously you will get to know the corporate roles as well. And one more thing, if the student wants to go with corporate roles, if the student after completion of IPCC itself has decided, no, I will not go for practice, I want to go for industry, then it is advisable to go with big four, because there you used to get a lot of corporate policies, how to deal with corporate clients and all, how the criteria will be there, how to interact with CFOs, and how to interact with MDs, that and all. Everything there in the big four articleship only you can come to know. Of course, in the mid-sized firms also, but there in the mid-sized firms you will get all-round exposure. You will be given taxation roles, you will be given auditing roles, you will be given management advisory roles. A lot of exposure will be get. So it depends on the student's intention. And if you want me to give a concluded answer, I can say better to go with mid-sized firms only, because you have learned so many subjects in IPCC. You should have a platform to apply that knowledge and learn the practical exposures in all the facets of the uh, what to say, auditing and taxation. So that is possible only in mid-sized firms. I would suggest, firstly, it depends on the student's intention. If he could not able to come to a conclusion, better to go with this mid-sized firms only, because there you can get a chance to learn all the subjects and apply practically.
Yeah, that's a very enlightening answer from you, Mr. Prakash, because as you said, this is again a question which causes a lot of dilemma among the students. And one more such kind of question to you, Mr. Prakash. Is it advisable to join articleship after completion of single group at CA interlevel, or is it better to join in articleship after completion of both the groups? What is your take on this?
Sir, I can give a real example. For me, it has happened to me as well. At the time of this CA IPCC exams, the syllabus is such a vast that even I have decided to go for only group one at that point of time. But again, here Masterminds management has given some guidance and confidence levels on me, and said that no, you are very much capable and better give both groups at a time. So instead of giving single groups, so there also Masterminds management has given some guidance to me, so on which I have followed and enjoyed the benefits as well. So coming to this question itself, so many people, so many students think that after completion of group one, I'll join articleship. See, one practical problem which they might face after going to articleship just after completion of single group is that they may think that I can effectively study during my leisure times, but it depends on the workload on you during the articleship. The workload is heavy now. Even in the leisure time period, even if you want to sit and understand and pursue these other group, you may not get that much effective concentration because that workload is already there during the day in your articleship. So that might lead to compromise your quality time on the studies. So that is one thing. So I would suggest students to complete both the groups and after that only go to articleship. But going to articleship after completion of single group, only one advantage is that you will get the CA final attempt early.
Yes, what you said is right, and your opinion is absolutely right, Mr. Prakash. And another question to you, Mr. Prakash. You have chosen Masterminds right from your CPT to CA final. So, what is the contribution of Masterminds in your success at different stages of CPT, IPCC, and CA final?
First thing is the coaching which they are providing is excellent. The faculty is also reachable. We can clarify our doubts on a daily basis, and wherever you can ask the whatever kind of queries you have. So that much faculty is a reachable faculty here, and they are very happy and always open to clarify your doubts. First thing is that. The second thing is the uniqueness, and I can say where Masterminds stands on high compared to any other organization is their revision exams and study hours, which are, I can say, top-notch quality. So students, a lot of people who are taking coaching at other organizations also for study hours and revision exams, the only one resort is for Masterminds only. That's a very good thing. And one more thing is that they will evaluate the papers and give you the response in time, so that student can know what kind of mistakes they have committed and they can rectify in time as well. And one more thing, academic advisors, Prakash sir will take care about all these revision exams and study hours. So the schedule which they prepare, they will take all the necessary inputs. They will prepare the revision exam schedule in such a manner that student who has undergone the coaching properly, who has understood the concepts, they can easily sit, and with their efforts, they can easily revise the things, and they can give the final exam with confidence. See, before attempting the final exam, they must have already gone through a kind of 60 revision exams already, 60 or 70 revision exams. So this,
That varies.
yes,
Yeah.
so the confidence level will be there. The final exam is nothing but a 61st exam in the Masterminds. That's all.
Yes, what you said is absolutely right. And Prakash sir continuously says that, and he stresses that students should not feel any surprise when he face the public examination paper. And what you said is absolutely right. Whatever the student is writing, it is the 61st exam, not any new exam. So I think you have definitely got the best services from Masterminds, and you have utilized everything, the services that are offered by Masterminds, and that have made you an All India ranker today. Am I right, Mr. Prakash?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, in your observation, today, once the pandemic has broken out, there was a growing trend for online classes and online courses. So, in your opinion, what is your take on online coaching and offline coaching? Which one do you prefer, or which one you think is best?
Yes, sir. It's a kind of a $1 million question actually. So, okay, I'll answer in this manner. See, there are advantages while attending live classes. Live means offline, face to face. There, you can get to interact with the faculty directly. You can raise whatever query you have during the course itself. And I can take the example of CA final coaching in Masterminds. There is one subject, law especially. The faculty name is also, I am telling you, Kaushik Mukesh. His classes were such that along with knowledge sharing, it's all his classes are enjoyable. He will teach the students in such a manner that what's he's explaining a story. Everybody is interested. That means the faculty has created that kind of interest that is possible only in live face-to-face classes. So if you can take online classes, that's your wish, but this advantage is not there. You can directly interact with the faculty and get to know the things, and you can feel that liveliness. And but the advantage of this recorded classes or what to say, online coaching
Online
is that
classes.
online classes is that you can get that comfort with whatever time you can watch those classes. But the negative aspect is that students may become lazy. I'll watch these lectures later. They keep on delaying, maybe. But that is not possible in face-to-face classes. Face-to-face classes means you have to sit there, you have to attend, and you have to complete. So there, the courses can be completed on time, and student will not face any what to say last-minute rushness.
Yeah. So, of course, some points in your answer are definitely valid points, Mr. Prakash. And now I wanted to ask a very specific question to you. What is the speciality of Masterminds in offering CA coaching? Because you might have seen, or at least you might have known about other institutes, their academic program, and how best they offer their services. So in that context, what do you feel the speciality or the USP of Masterminds?
Yes, sir. I can say without any second thought, Masterminds is the best coaching institute when it comes to this CA coaching. Since from the beginning till the ending, because see, they are providing basically two kind of services. One is coaching, and another one is study hours and revision exams. So both are very much important for a student. And what I feel is Masterminds is doing its best to provide high quality services in both. See, during this CS, CPT, and IPCC levels, because I personally attended coaching classes in Masterminds itself, I can see that quality, and they can what to say during the classes itself. During weekends, they will conduct exams till the portion completed. Till the portion completed, they will take a mock test kind of thing. So their students will already revise the completed portion as well. And one more thing, at the end of the completion of all the portion, they will take revision exams. So it's a second revision, second revision. So Masterminds is trying to provide its best quality services to the extent possible in both coaching and this study hours and revision exams. And they have reached their what to say top class qualities in study hours and revision exams, because I can see I have personally attended this CA final study hours and revision exams. Now, people from all other states will also come for taking these revision exams, especially for CA final. Wherever they take coaching, they'll prefer study hours and revision exams to Masterminds because of the quality with which the schedule is being prepared, the brainstorming the top management is using in preparing the schedule and providing the services. So definitely that is one of the USP of Masterminds.
Yeah.
Hope Masterminds will continue to provide top class services in this.
Yes, definitely. We are committed to do that forever. And we never compromise on our academic program and the quality of services that we offer to the students. And now I want a straight answer from your heart, Mr. Prakash. Now, do you feel that choosing CA is a better thing than choosing other streams? I want a straightforward answer straight away from your heart.
Yes, sir. I can, without any further thinking, I can say CA is the best course within the cost. Also compared to other course, it's little, and student who can qualify this course now, there are abundant opportunities are available. Not only this is not a specific sector related. You can find jobs wherever there is a requirement of finance professional, wherever there is a money involvement is there, wherever taxation is there, and wherever you want to, what to say, give expert advisory services regarding corporates or partnership firms, whatever it is. See, in the company's jobs also, it is not related to financial industries only. You can see, for example, I am currently employed in aerospace and defense. I got job opportunities in IT sector as well. I got job opportunities in Big Four as well, and multiple industries are waiting for the chartered accountants to come. So definitely, I cannot defame other courses, but since I am a qualified CA, I can say with confidence that CA is the best course. With
So
a small investment, you can what to say, you are able to generate heavy benefits. So, but this is not an easy course. Students has to put their efforts with dedication. They have to sacrifice some things to achieve this, and it's not an easy course, but it is not an impossible course. So I can say that the student who is eager for learning and who is dedicated, who is hardworking, for him with little investment, he can complete this course and he can enjoy the benefits.
yes, definitely. That's a inspiring answer from you. And from while you're expressing your opinion, something got in my mind that CA is like an omnipresent man where he's present in every sector, right? From healthcare to banking to aerospace, wherever, uh, whatever the sector may be, definitely we require a chartered accountant. Yeah. And as in your previous answer, Mr. Prakash, you said that people need to make some sacrifices. Yes, what you said is absolutely right. So my question straight to you is that, do you give up watching TV, your using social media and smartphones while you are preparing for your examinations?
Sir, I cannot say 100% I have given up, but I can say I have to. I came with a dream. I came with a dedication. I had taken this course as a challenging. So, in order to achieve all those things, I have to spend more time in achieving those things. So, obviously, I'll have to reduce my time on other, what to say, non-value adding things. I can say that, which cannot help me in achieving my dreams come true. So, I have, what to say, stopped watching movies. I'm a cricket fan. I can say wherever this cricket matches will be there, World Cup and all. I used T20, IPL and all. I used to watch the complete matches till my intermediate level. So after coming to this CA course, what I have, because I'm a fan of this cricket and all, I stopped watching complete match from the beginning till the end. I just used to watch the highlights. That's all. Or whichever cricketer is batting at that point of time, only 15 minutes, not entire 4 hours or entire full day. So that sacrifice needs to be done. And one more thing, I have locked myself. What to say with this course itself, meeting with friends, parties, relatives, that and all. Also, I have sacrificed because my ambition is that. See, I came with it. I have taken this course as a challenging. So I have to prove that I can do this. That's why I have made so many sacrifices also.
So you are the master of balancing the things in life according to the priorities.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's a very great thing, Mr. Prakash. And Prakash, one very interesting question to all of us, which we want to listen from you. What do you want to become in life? Do you want to become an entrepreneur, or do you want to become the CFO of a company, or do you want to specialize in a particular area? So, what do you want to become in life?
So as of now, I am having an aim to specialize in this corporate finance and accounts related roles. Definitely, the top most position is to become a CFO of a reputed company, big organization, which is it might be an MNC or which has a wide footsteps. That is my aim as of now. Don't know, in future, I may give a thought on entrepreneurship also. But as of now, my aim is to get specialized into this corporate finance and accounting roles.
Yeah, we at Masterminds also wholeheartedly wish you to reach the top strung in the corporate ladder. Next, Mr. Prakash, what is your success secret? Can you explore it for us?
Sir, firstly, I can say there is no secret like that. Doing the things on the right time, don't postponing, have that commitment, have that hardworking nature, being true to yourself, and keep the priorities ready and working according to that is the only straight way, main road to the success, which I can say. There is no shortcut for the success. You have to do what you have to do according to your priorities, according to your goals. You have to decide what you want to and prepare one strategy or roadmap for that, and you have to follow that uh, with the sincerity and dedication. So that is the only way. Wherever, so one more thing which I want to highlight is I have never tried for getting rank. I never given my exams with an intention to definitely I will get rank. What my strategy used to be, I used try to complete the syllabus as much as possible. And whenever I am confident, yes, I can give this exam with confidence. Then only I had given my attempt. Uh, this there is also one what to say wrong step students are doing without they reaching the particular confidence level. They are giving their attempt. That's a simply waste of attempt itself. I suggest the students to get that confidence level. Yes, to complete the syllabus according to your wish, suppose say 80%. Some student may be satisfied with 80% of the syllabus. Some student may not be satisfied with 80%. You want to complete at least 95% of the syllabus to get that confidence level. So like that, you have to be confident before giving the attempt. Nobody is putting knife on your neck that you should give this attempt like that. No, no, it's not like that. No. So you have to be confident before giving the attempt. If you have that confident, then you can go with the attempt. Definitely on the result you will come up with flying colors.
Yeah, that's a fantastic answer, and you have revealed your secret of success, Mr. Prakash, which will be a very inspiring thing to most of the students. And before wrapping up, one last question to you, Mr. Prakash. Do you want to just give your suggestion or your advice to the students who want to pursue CA course?
Yes, sir. As I said, obviously this is a beautiful course. So many opportunities are waiting for you. So students can simply join this course because it's not a heavy investment related course also. So you with a smaller cost, with smaller investment. I cannot say cost. It's small investment. You can get huge returns. So that is one thing, and obviously, lot of opportunities are available for the qualified chartered accountants. And I can say unemployment is not there. The
Yeah, you can
student,
definitely get a
uh,
job once you complete your CA course. You need not wait for a long time to
long time.
grab the
Yes,
job. Yeah,
you may need to wait for some 3 or 4 months. That's all. Almost if you try sincerely, you can get offer in
within
the
days.
ICA within days. You can get easily either off campus or ICA campus placements. You can get. Even though with sincere efforts, if you cannot get, you may need not be unemployed for years and years. Just
Yeah.
3 months or 4 months. That's all. So a lot of opportunities are waiting for you. You can join. But the only commonmost thing and which is the basic thing is dedication and hard work. If you have these two, and if you are sincere and true to yourself, and will put your dedicated steps and efforts, definitely any student can crack this course.
Yeah, that's a fantastic piece of advice, Mr. Prakash, from you. And so, once again, all the best. Congratulations. And once again, a big thanks a ton to you to accept our request and coming forward to extend your piece of advice and share your thoughts to all of our students. So, thank you, Mr. Prakash, once again.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So, students, till now, you have seen the conversation with Mr. Prakash, who is an All India ranker at CA, CPT, IPCC, and CA final. So, one thing I wanted to tell you, the most important thing in getting qualified in courses like CA and CMA is choosing the right platform, choosing the right institute. So, whenever you want to take admission into a particular institution, for CA or CMA or CS, you just don't look at their ranks. Of course, ranks are definitely an added advantage, but once you want to take an admission into the organization, look at the strength of their academic program, their materials, their expertise, and above all, their commitment to offer the promised services. So these all makes a big difference in your career, because if you choose the right platform to launch your career, definitely that will boost up your career many times larger and bigger. So hope you have enjoyed watching this interview, and hope this interview might have created a new thought process in your brain, and hope you have drawn some inspiration from Mr. Prakash words. So all the best. Thank you.